In this video, I'm going to show you how to see trade history on TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your chart, and then you want to connect to your broker where you would like to see trade history. So go to the bottom right where you can see there's like the arrow up, arrow down button. So it's this one down at the bottom I'm highlighting right now. Tap on that and connect to your broker. So just tap on it and then tap connect. Now I'm going to connect to paper trading right now, just for this example, and I'm going to tap connect over here like this. And whenever you do that, to see your trade history, you want to go to the bottom right where you can now see there's going to be a logo of your broker you're connected to. So for me, I'm connected to a TradingView. As you can see, just above the community button at the bottom, there's like a TradingView logo. So tap on that. And then from here up top, it's going to basically tell you you're inside your account. So I'm in paper trading. And then here you can see in the middle, there's positions, orders, and then there's order history. So if you go to order history in here, you can see all your trade history, all of them failed, canceled, and rejected. Okay, so that's how to do it. That's how to view that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.